This is a common problem, and there are literally dozens, maybe hundreds of videos on YouTube and a lot of stuff on internet about how to fix this problem. And people have gone to the extent that they have changed this block and have done used all sorts of fillers, but they don't work. And now I'm giving you this simple solution. Now this is a simple piece of hardware called joiner. It consists of a single piece of metal on which screws can be tightened on the both sides. Now this is how the two screws are tightened into the cylinder from both sides. And now we are going to remove the screws in the lock and tighten the screws on the both sides. Here we have removed the lock, and these are the two holes that we are going to tighten the screw.
Handle joiner.
Handle that we are going to tighten from both sides like this, and we are done. It's as simple as that. The only problem may be that if you don't have through and through holes, you may have to take down the entire lock. But you've got to have through and through holes, both 2 or 3 or whatever they are. You've got to have through and through holes. Now we have this tied from both sides. Hopefully it's going to be very long lasting. Thank you.